Hello all. I got a new dog here. Want to say anything? That's Luna. She is a blue heeler, border collie mix, about 3 months old. We share a birthday. I kind of took that as my first and only sign I needed to get this dog. I'm making this video because in about 2 months from now, I plan on taking Miss Luna and myself from Pueblo, Colorado to Astoria, Oregon through the Trans-American Bike Trail. I want to try to make this more official and do some prep videos before I actually do this trip, and obviously make videos while I am on the trip. Getting a bike trailer, it's going to be like 20 pounds, putting her in it, and we're going to ride across half of America, essentially. Maybe more, like a third, but I will be uploading more videos as I prep for this, as I get this trailer and set up with my bike, as I train her more, and hopefully this catches on. This is the type of lifestyle and adventure that I want to do consistently. I'm taking a month off work. I haven't told my boss yet. I might get fired, I might not, but if I have to get fired, I will, because this is what I want to do with my life. So, but I'm doing this because I have an adventurous lifestyle, and I just don't feel happy or satisfied working like a 9 to 5, and I want to try to make a career out of this. So I'm really going to try my ass off. I'm excited, I'm scared, I'm nervous. This is longest trip I've done is 360 miles, and that was Ohio. It took like 4 days. This is going to be 2,000 miles. It's probably going to take over a month. So this is a huge step, but I'm excited for it. I'm excited to take it on. I'm excited that I'm scared about it because it's going to push me past my limits. So hopefully this will be a huge opportunity for me and her, and a start to something that could really be great. I want to take her on a ton of adventures. I'll take myself on a ton of adventures. So I'm hoping that this is the start. I think people will say this is crazy. They'll think maybe I'm going crazy, but my parents think I am going crazy for sure. I would combat that by saying, this is the opposite of crazy for me. Crazy for me would be trying to stay at my job, which, no shade against that, it's just not me, it's not my lifestyle, for whatever the next X amount of years are, or even just staying in that type of realm of sales or business or anything like that. That would be crazy to me. I feel depressed and anxious just knowing that I'm not pursuing what deep down I really want to pursue. I think everybody deep down has something that's crazy to them, and you pursuing that is going to be scary, uncomfortable. People are always going to not understand it because that's not their dream. It's going to seem crazy to everybody else except for yourself. It's going to feel right to you, and it's just about getting over that and trying to make it work, pursuing whatever that is. At the end of the day, they're just, people won't understand what your dream is because it's your dream. And I think, I hope I can be an inspiration to people too, to pursue whatever their dream is. I don't want to go back to the life I was living. Nothing wrong with it, but just wasn't pushing me to my max, my potential. I think that's what makes life exciting. So, that's why I'm doing this. That's why I'm pursuing this, and hoping it can just continue from here. I want to be on Survivor. I just love these type of adventures in my life. Yeah, just follow your dreams. Sound like Mac Miller.
Follow your dreams. Yeah.